Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have App Store Connect access and a valid Testflight build. This matters because permissions control who can invite testers. Once the build is uploaded, set version and release notes and choose internal versus external testing. Internal gives faster access, external requires beta review. Make sure you have the tester email list or plan to use a public link. Begin now by opening your app record in App Store Connect and selecting the Testflight tab to view builds. Now you invite testers. For internal testers, add their users and give them the Testflight role. They get instant access to builds. For external testing, create a tester group, add emails, and submit the build for beta review if the app requires it. This ensures Apple approves the binary. Alternatively, make a public link and set the tester limit and expiration. This is faster but less controlled. Once done, monitor invitations and group assignments to confirm delivery. Finish by asking testers to install the Testflight app, accept the invite, and install the build. This verifies distribution worked. Check build compatibility with iOS versions, the build's expiration date, and that you haven't hit device or tester limits. If testers report problems, first resend the invite or regenerate the public link. If the build fails review, make the required fixes and resubmit. This resolves most issues. Keep an eye on Testflight logs and tester feedback to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.